This is the calendar day planner template at SharePoint This template allows you to set up a type of a calendar which has a grid style view, which you can edit by simply clicking into the cells and entering values. This is similar to a type of a calendar that people might carry around to put notes about what their schedule is. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. When you first look at this template, you'll notice some different options for themes. And of course, you can set this to look however you want. You do need to use a list template in order to work with this one. The reason for that is because there are many fields in this list that are necessary, and it would be tedious to manually create those fields. So the first thing you should do when you want to use this template is go ahead and first click on the day planner link. That will download an STP file to your local computer, and then you will be loading that list template to your SharePoint site. You can learn more about managing list templates by clicking on the provided link, which will help you out if that is an unfamiliar process for you. This list template not only includes the fields, but includes all of the daily records needed for this template to work. Once you've loaded the list template and created a new list from that template, you're going to be presented with a screen that looks like this. So as you can see, what I have doesn't look interesting at all, but we can see that we're ready to go. We have text fields set up for each of the various hours and half-hour slots throughout the whole calendar day. So once that's loaded, I can go ahead and apply my template. So just go ahead and click on Copy Template, then follow the directions in the box, and click OK. And then you want to go to the View selector, then Format Current View, then click on Advanced Mode, and replace the code with your template code. And there we go. And let's take a look at how this works. So in this case, we never have to interact with the list form. We're doing everything directly from the view. As you notice, as I hover over cells, I can just pick a particular point of the day. For example, if I have a meeting taking place on Tuesday at 11, I can just go ahead and enter that. Okay, and then if it's going to fill a longer period of time, in this particular type of calendar, you can just copy and paste. So it's a really simple concept. So if I had an hour and a half meeting with John, I could just do that. And as you can tell, I could do that very fast just to fill up those slots. So there are half-hour increments. So you'll see there are 2 slots for every hour listing, and I am, if it's on the hour, I put it in the top slot, and then if it goes for that duration, I would just fill both of those values. So I can just fill as many of those half-hour slots as I want to. Now you can set whether you want to include Saturdays and Sundays. You can also indicate the first day of the week that you want to appear. For most of us, we would use Sunday as the first day, but you can adjust that with the settings. Another key function is that you can custom configure the start and end hour of your schedule grid. For most of us, we're not really needing to use the schedule grid at night, especially when we might be sleeping. So we want to eliminate those extraneous time slots that aren't especially important to us. And that's what the start hour and end hour settings do. So you'll notice I just updated it from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. And if I recopy and apply the template, you'll notice this is going to update accordingly. So I just paste in my code again, and now you notice that it's got my times in the day starting at 7 a.m. and then it's going all the way down to 6 o'clock at night. You can set the font sizes, colors, everything about this according to whatever your personal preferences are. In fact, it's possible to crunch it all in so you have 7 days going left to right in the week if you prefer. It's really just all according to your preferences. You can get that set. So if you're looking for a type of calendar where you can do scheduling. You want to put in time slots. And especially in a situation, maybe you want to collaborate. You've got some kind of scheduling tool that you want to work with other users, and you want it to be really fast and easy, almost like working in Excel. This is a great way to set up a calendar that you can share with others and interact with very fast and easy to give those real-time updates. This template is available at SharePoint-dashboards.com. And it is part of more than 120 different SharePoint formatting templates that you can use. This is part of the subscription package. If you do not yet have access to SharePoint-dashboards.com, you can sign up for a free account, which includes 20 free templates, and that will let you get started. And then if you're interested, you can go on and then sign up to have access to all of the templates, of which there are more than 120. I hope you find this interesting, and I hope you find this as helpful to you as a scheduling tool and to collaborate with other users to have this calendar in a day planner style format. Good luck.